Hey guys, running Kimono here. So we still have more Dollar General today right here with the quarter Axe gift set. We're going to talk about that in a quick second. Rite Aid right here and a whole bunch of Meijer deals and other Meijer deals I will show you on a slideshow at the very end. If you're from the Midwest, we have some very inexpensive items and some freebies. And a weather report for you guys. Kind of a cold one out here today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so first order that we're going to talk about is Dollar General. If you missed it yesterday, I had a video. They have their quarter sale and got kicked off yesterday. The quarter sale runs from Tuesday the 19th right up till the following Monday, and then the next day after that it'll turn to a 10-cent sale. It's just a way to get their surplus of Christmas merchandise out of the door and sold to customers for a very good price, which is 25 cents. Now this gift set was part of it. The other gift sets are not, but this one for Axe, they have two different ones. But this one, Phoenix, it was 25 cents. How wonderful is that? So look for the one with the lights, and I'll show you the barcode too. I found this one today at a store near my home, and it was pretty thrilling to find this. 25 cents, you absolutely can't beat it. Please check out the video in the notes if you want to check it out for more information about the quarter sale, so you can have the most amount of success. It expires in April of 2022. How great is this? Okay guys, so the next store that we have is Rite Aid. I did this over a couple of days to get this big bounty of stuff. As you guys know, the Tide coupons in the January P&G are 1 per household per day. Back in the Wayback Machine, it used to be 4 per household per day, but not anymore. Anyhow, I did this over a couple of trips, and you know, even with your gold discount, you're gonna be surprised at the cost of some of these items. So the first items that we're gonna talk about is with this. So we have this from the flyer from last weekend, which is $15 of bonus cash when you spend $50. And there's a digital email one too. Now I'll let you guys know on this one store card, I tried to use both the digital and this one over 2 different days. So I was buying $50 on 2 different days, so $100 total. And it only worked the one time. So I don't know if there was a mistake made at checkout or what. But the second time, I just said, you know what, it's fine. Such a headache. I was kind of stressful too today, but anyhow, we still managed to get it done, and I still was able to get some deals. But just be wary of that. That's just been my experience. I also know there was some sort of a deal with, I think it's Tums, buy 2, get a $10 bonus cash. That's also not working, so I had to return some stuff. So just to explain some of that, it's been kind of all over the place this week over at Rite Aid. However, we're going to talk about some crazy finds. The first one is with the Nicorette. This Nicorette, it's 170 pieces of the gum. This doesn't expire till next year. It's $73.99. This is 75% off this specific one. I'll show you the barcode at the very end, guys. So it's 75% off. It's $18.49. Now we have a $15 digital manufacturer if you loaded it a couple of weeks back. After that, it makes this $3.49. Now, trying to use this guy, you know, that was just fantastic. It took up a lot of the $50, and this worked when I did it with this. So this was just fantastic. And then after my bonus cash, it was basically a freebie, and I'll show you the barcode right here. Also a really fantastic deal. These Nivea Men, they are on clearance at my store for $1.99. Ibotta has $2.50 back when you buy one of these beard balms, essentially making it free, plus a very small 51-cent money maker, so there's nothing wrong with that. I know there's also a deal too that when you buy 15, you get back 3, but I had already maxed that out the week previous on this store card. So still to get this for a little money maker, I was totally fine with that. Okay, so these speed sticks with the gold discount, and what a gold discount means, guys, is that in the last calendar year, I spent more than $1,000. So now I get 20% off of everything. These guys are $2.99 with my gold discount. They're $2.55 a piece. We have a $2 in ad plus a 50-cent coupon from the January 17th insert, making them 5 cents each. How wonderful is that? Okay, so for the Tide, I just kind of did a quick deal where I got about $30 of Tide. These guys are $4.94 this week for either the liquid or the pods. And yes, you can do this one progressively. You don't have to buy it all at one time. We have both digital manufacturer coupons and then some from the January insert of the P&G. So anyhow, grabbing 7 of them, that's $34.58. Subtracting $14 of manufacturer coupons, I presented $2 at a time, and I did this over a couple of trips. You would pay $22 out of pocket and then get back $10 in bonus cash. They have a promotion that if you spend $30, you get back $10. I put a lot of the Tide in with this little promotion, so I didn't really feel too much out of pocket. After everything was said and done, you know, this was a little money maker for me. Obviously, get your basket to 50 and then just say a prayer at checkout, because with this one from the flyer I had issues with, but the one that you scan from the email coupon, it was working for me. So maybe you guys can let me know in the comments what was and wasn't working for you, but the operative thing is to get it to 50, scan this, and then present all of your coupons. But I was having so many issues and I don't understand that. It kind of makes me really frustrated with Rite Aid this week, but I still made a deal happen. At the very least, if you can at least try and find the Nivea with Ibotta or the Nicorette, these are both sensational deals, considering this is like almost $74, and to get it for $3.49, that's an unheard of price. Guys, so before we talk about Meijer, we're gonna talk really quickly about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. I have been with them for, gosh, 2 years, and I really love their meals. And these are the meals this week. My goodness gracious. This is what we had last night, and it was really, really good. They provide you with all the ingredients to make this meal, and later, if you want to just make the same dish at home, you know exactly what the ingredients to buy and how to assemble it. So if you guys are interested, I have a $40 coupon code off your first box, making it $20 with UPS shipping included. If you are really busy, you know, clearance shopping for 8 hours like some crazy people, you know, this is just really nice to come home and make this for dinner. You know, you put your brain on autopilot and you have like a meal that's like about 10 steps above Applebee's. So if you're interested, check out the coupon code in the notes. And I mean, it's just terrific. I love HelloFresh. The store that we have is Meijer, and Meijer is basically in the Midwest. Google your location if you might have a Meijer. There is no sister store either. The 75 counter of the Let Me Shine, this is a massive container, guys. It is $2.99. There's a 50-cent M-Perk, dropping this down to $2.49. If you think about the cost of a 35 count of this at like any of the pharmacies or even at Meijer, it's like $2 and some change. You're basically getting double of the wipes for that cost, so what a great deal. Okay, so the next deal that we have is kind of interesting. It's with these Rolade Advanced, the 60 count. They are $3.19 this week. You would pay for one, $3.19, and then out of the Catalina machine, after you pay, you would get this guy, which is a $3 off on your next order coupon. And this is a manufacturer coupon. Then just go pick up a second one, use this, pay 19 cents, and a second one will print for you. I was able to do this successfully twice. And like, how wonderful is that? For 40 cents, I got like, you know, 120 of these chewable tablets of Rolaids. So if this is a deal for you, I would absolutely do it. Pill like this for like anti-gas or anti-acid, these were gone. Like, so I don't know if people are stocking up on it or they just don't have a lot at my store, but these were harder to find. But I was able to find 2, and you never know. Sometimes when you have something that gives you indigestion, it's always great to have this. So if this is a deal for you, you'd have to do it by the 23rd. Next deal that we have is with the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. These are buy 2, get $5 off. So just buying them in sets of 2, or you could buy all 4 at once if you wish. 2 of them, that's $7.18. $5 will come off automatically. In the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, we have this $4 off. Presenting one of these, it'll reduce down what you owe, the $2 and some change. The $2.18 will be nothing. You'll just have to pay the tax. Now, what you can do is grab all 4, and then $10 will automatically come off. Your 5 off of 2 will come off twice. So you'll owe like $4 and some change. Present one of these and you would pay like 40 cents plus the tax. So it's your choice about that. I will let you know that this coupon, for whatever reason, the customer service ref has to key it in. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So it'll either get reduced down to $2.18, or, you know, they'll put it in for 4 if you grab 4 of them. So good luck with this one, guys. Okay guys, next couple deals that we have is with M-Perks, including these dollar tubes of Colgate toothpaste. There's a 75-cent M-Perk, so hopefully you loaded it. It'll drop it down to 25 cents. As it has the word each in there, you can grab multiples because the word each is implied. And this also works for the children's toothpaste. I know we don't get a lot of deals for children's toothpaste, so if you want to load up, this might be your day to do it. So hopefully you have that M-Perk loaded. And the last deal that we have, since we have toothpaste, we need something sweet. It is these Snickers peanut brownie bars for 99 cents. We have a 50-cent off of 1 M-Perk, so you can only grab 1. Drops it down to 49 cents. Shout out and thank you to NerdyBirdie99 over on Instagram. This is in fact her deal. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.